Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin with tragic news as Mother's Day reflections turned into mourning in the section of Clarendon with the fatal shooting of one mother and another mother now in hospital with multiple bullet wounds. As we hear in this report, both women were at a party which ended with gunfire.
A Mother's Day tragedy in Yorktown, Clarendon. In what was supposed to be a celebration, two mothers shot several times, one succumbing to her injuries. The dead woman has been identified as 39-year-old Antoinette Bernard of the neighboring community of Content. Her daughter, still shaken by the incident, was too terrified to speak on camera.
On the day of Mother's Day, my mother passed away. Don't feel so good right now. She was loving, caring. She put out her all to us. Always make sure we are all right.
The injured woman sustained 3 bullet wounds and is now at hospital. According to the Clarendon police, the organizers of the dance were warned prior to the shooting by the police to discontinue the party. However, the warnings were reportedly ignored. Deputy Superintendent of Police Paul Bernard, who is the operations officer for the Clarendon Police Division, said the shooting happened about 2 o'clock this morning.
About minutes to 2 a.m. this morning, 12th of May, police received phone call that gunshots were being fired in a section of Yorktown called York Circle. On arrival of the police on the scene, a lady was seen lying in a pool of blood. She was taken to the Jamaica hospital where she was pronounced dead. When the scene was processed, some 18 9mm spent cases were found around the body. Another lady who was in the company of the lady who was pronounced dead at the hospital, this other lady has been admitted with 3 gunshot wounds to her right thigh and right hand.
DSP Bernard is of the view that the shooting could have been avoided.
It is to note, though, there's a drink court in process. This lady who was keeping this drink court party did not have a permit to do so. The police and patrol went there minutes after 10 p.m. and warned her for prosecution and turned off the dance. Some minutes after 1, the police went back to that same location and again warned the lady and were persuading the people to disperse, and they refused to disperse from the area. It's very unsafe to ignore these things.
The female organizer of the dance has been taken into custody.